Look. Yo,
Give
Cyan,
it.
bro, please. Okay,
Guys,
I'm waiting
come with
for
me.
Cyan.
We're gonna
Cyan,
make it
I'm
past the
gonna
second red light, green light guy by killing him. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Alright.
Dude, I want to
Hey.
sacrifice myself.
I'm back
Follow me.
in. I'm back in
Pinky.
town, boys.
Pinky. Follow
Come
me.
on. I'm sacrificing
Heck
myself
no.
to kill, save you all.
I missed. I'm out.
I'll see you with my lipstick on.
Oh my god.
Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye, cruel world. Da.
Who killed it?
Me.
Bro, please don't take my iPad, bro.
I need
My mom
shotgun
bought it for
ammo.
I killed it, dude. I
$6,000.
grabbed a grenade and shot, and I took the trigger off. And just
Good
killed it.
sacrifice.
No,
I need
you're gonna be the
shotgun ammo.
grenade guy.
I missed
You're gonna
both
be the grenade
shots.
guy.
Yeah, even though my headset's about to die, I'm still gonna help you guys.
Wait, what? Hold up. Getting more money.
Dude, don't waste your shotgun ammo. Just save it.
I won't.
I don't have a backpack.
When my headset
sell
dies,
it,
you
sell
can be
it.
the
Flashlight,
protector.
sell
I'm
it,
gonna be the
flashlight.
protector for
Sell
now.
it.
I'll sacrifice my life for you guys.
I must protect you guys with this shotgun. If I run out of bullets, someone's gonna have to sacrifice. Because I need to live. I am a shotgun guy.
Everyone, stay back. Stay back. Goodbye, my family. Didn't die.
Please don't.
Oh my god.
Everyone, we're going. I'm going to kill the thing for you guys. Come on.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Your mom.
I'm sacrificing. Stay back.
Wow. Yellow. I jumped around you. Hey, take this.
What's the flare
I
gun
told you I'm
for?
sacrificing and to stay back.
I didn't hear you.
Well, if you see me
Give me
with
my shotgun
a
back. Give me my
grenade
shot-
without the pin,
Give me my shotgun
just
back.
run as far away.
My shotgun. Give it.
You died and your shotgun fell on the ground. Come here, I'm gonna give it back to you. I just stole
Give
my
it.
backpack
Give it.
to get
Quick. So nobody steal it.
I'm not gonna steal it, dude.
Got it.
I was trying to sacrifice myself to help y'all.
No, my iPad's down there. I need to go get it.
We can go back. Okay. We're mad.
I don't have it. I will kill this guy anytime. I want the rubber duck. I agree. Maybe this. Because they wanted the rubber duck.
Go check it out. It's pretty cool in this.
I got
No,
a cane.
I've seen that before. Rob, you do that one time. Oh yeah, have your real friend with you.
Roger.
Yo, where's the guy who lost his iPad?
Not me, but I got the golden monkey.
Did you lose your iPad?
I need shotgun ammo.
Who was the one who lost their iPad?